Hey everyone! In the ever-evolving world of portable gaming, Anbernic has consistently delivered devices that cater to both retro enthusiasts and modern gamers alike. Their latest offering, the Anbernic RG 406V, pushes this legacy forward with a powerful blend of hardware, adaptable software, and an ergonomic design that enhances the portable gaming experience. Whether you're a casual player looking for nostalgic fun or a serious gamer aiming for performance on the go, the RG 406V has something for everyone. At the heart of the RG 406V is the Unisoc T820, an 8-core ARM CPU that ensures smooth and consistent performance across a wide variety of applications. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, this combination delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities, allowing for effortless transitions between apps and demanding games. The Mali G57 GPU takes care of graphics processing, enabling the device to handle graphically intense titles and classic retro games with ease. Storage is another area where the RG 406V shines. It comes with 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, providing ample space for your games, apps, and media. This storage can be further expanded using a microSD card, ensuring that even the most dedicated gamer will have enough room to store their entire collection. The 4-inch IPS touchscreen with a resolution of 960 by 720 delivers crisp, vivid visuals that enhance your gaming experience. Colors pop, and retro games especially look fantastic on this high-quality display. The small form factor makes the device portable, without sacrificing the clarity or vibrancy of the visuals. Powering the RG 406V is a 5500 mAh battery, providing extended gaming sessions without the constant worry of recharging. Whether you're deep into an RPG or enjoying a few rounds of your favorite arcade game, this high-capacity battery ensures that your gaming isn't interrupted. One of the standout features of the RG 406V is its connectivity. With support for Bluetooth 5.0 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can seamlessly connect to online gaming platforms, download new games, or pair your favorite Bluetooth accessories with ease. For those who prefer wired audio, the device also features a 3.5mm audio jack alongside dual stereo speakers, which deliver rich sound for an immersive gaming experience. Running on Android 13, the RG 406V offers a user-friendly interface familiar to most smartphone users. It supports Google Play, allowing you to download a wide variety of apps and games from the official store. In addition, the integrated launcher streamlines the emulator setup process, making it incredibly easy to access and play classic games across multiple retro platforms. A unique feature of the RG 406V is its button switch mode, allowing you to switch between Xbox One and Nintendo Switch style controls. This adaptability is great for gamers who want to use the most comfortable layout, depending on the game they're playing, making the RG 406V versatile for all kinds of gaming preferences. To ensure smooth operation during extended gaming sessions, the device is equipped with an adjustable cooling fan. This helps maintain optimal performance by preventing overheating, allowing you to enjoy long gaming marathons without any slowdown. Additionally, the RGB lighting on the device can be customized to match your personal style, adding a cool aesthetic touch to your gaming setup. Where the Anbernic RG 406V really excels is in its ability to emulate classic gaming platforms. The device supports emulation for the NES, SNES, Game Boy Advance, Dreamcast, GameCube, Wii, and PS2. This makes it an appealing choice for those who want to relive the golden age of gaming on platforms like the Super Nintendo and Sega Dreamcast. However, it's important to note that performance can vary across these emulators, particularly with more demanding platforms like the GameCube, Wii, and PlayStation 2. While many games from these systems are playable, not all titles run flawlessly, and you may experience some slowdowns or graphical glitches in more resource-heavy games. Lighter platforms like the NES, SNES, and Game Boy Advance run smoothly and are perfect for retro fans who want a portable solution. The vertical layout of the Anbernic RG 406V offers a unique design choice that prioritizes comfort during extended gaming sessions. The button and D-pad placement are thoughtfully arranged, ensuring that users can game for hours without experiencing discomfort. The symmetrical analog sticks are responsive, though some users with different hand sizes or grip preferences might find them a bit tricky to use. Nevertheless, the overall layout provides a comfortable experience for most players. The device also features dual stereo speakers that deliver decent sound quality, enhancing the immersion of your gaming sessions. Whether you're racing, shooting, or platforming, the speakers provide crisp audio that complements the on-screen action. The sturdy construction of the RG 406V ensures that it can withstand frequent use, making it a reliable companion for travel or home use. The robust build quality gives the device a premium feel, and its solid materials suggest that it can endure the wear and tear of regular gaming. Whether you're tossing it in your backpack for a commute or keeping it by your bedside for late-night gaming sessions, the RG406V is designed to last. While the Anbernic RG406V appears to have great potential, further testing is needed to fully evaluate its battery life and practical performance over extended periods. The device's 5500 mAh battery should provide enough power for longer gaming sessions, but real-world testing and user feedback will offer a more comprehensive view of how it performs under various gaming conditions. In conclusion, the Anbernic RG406V is a powerful and versatile vertical handheld gaming console that offers something for everyone, whether you're into modern Android games or want to revisit your favorite retro classics. This device has the hardware and software to deliver a compelling gaming experience. With its comfortable design, solid build quality, and the ability to handle a wide range of games, the RG406V is an excellent choice for gamers seeking a portable solution. As more users provide feedback and further testing is conducted, the Anbernic RG406V could very well establish itself as a top option in the world of portable gaming consoles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and see you soon.